Hi guys, my name's Eric. Thank you so much for watching if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. This is a different environment for me. I'm actually outside because I don't want to film inside because my dad is sleeping, I think. But I do post every day on YouTube, so hopefully you'll want to join this cult. So let's get into the palette. I will be talking about this Pat McGrath palette. I'm pretty sure this is number 2. This one is probably my least favorite out of 1 through 3. Just because it seems so random to me. Let's see. So probably my top 5. It's probably... Okay, let's see. Let me look at it. Okay, so this one's gonna be kind of cheating because I did this in my other video, but this one, let's take all these glitters off my hands. So it's probably gonna be this one. Oh wait, no, this one. So it's gonna be this one, just because it has a shift to it, and it's really like super special. It shifts from like gold to red. It kind of gives you like a chrome. Watch. You can't really see, but it has like a gold pink shift to it. You can see on my finger, right? And then for number 2, it's gonna be this one. This one is really cool. It shifts from blue to pink, not like this one did, because this one was like way lighter. Watch. This one's like more bold. It's like a deep blue, so it's like a darker version of this one. And then, for number 3, this one's going to be kind of cheating because I've already said this is one of my favorites. This is the topper shade. It's kind of like a clear one with pink glitter in it. Or did I talk about it? No. So it's kind of like the blue one from her Mothership 1 palette. So that's 1, 2, 3... I think it's gonna be this one. She has like a highlighter shade in all her palettes. They're usually in this corner over here. This one is like, this is basically like the iconic like highlighter shade where it's like champagne color. So there's that one, and then I honestly don't like her metallics. Maybe I'm just not using them right, but I just feel like they don't got a oomph to it, you know? Like I either want to go like that, or I want to go like hardcore glitter. So I'm probably gonna have to choose this one. This is like a chocolate brown. Ooh, that definitely didn't swatch good. Let's see. Ooh, I do not like that. But anyways, it's like a chocolate brown. So what you can do with this is kind of, oh my gosh. You can kind of like put it in the crease, like, and then blend it until it's like non-existent. And then you add a second layer in the crease, and it kind of like deepens it for you, and then you can just head out of your door whenever you're ready. So it's kind of like a simple one eyeshadow kind of look thing. That's kind of what a lot of her palettes are, because she only has like a little bit of mattes in there. So I think that's why I don't like this one. It's just too many shimmers that are like random. This is for like if you're a club kind of person. Wear this to the rave. You pop in all the time. This is not my kind of deal, you know? This one though, killer. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you found this video beneficial. If it was gonna help with purchasing a Pat McGrath palette, especially because they are $125. These are my friends, she let me borrow them, so if you are thinking about buying it, wait till Black Friday though, because I bought these during a sale. I bought it like within 2 sales, so I got it like on a super discount. But yeah, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053. You can find me on Snapchat at ericquezada24053. You can find me on Instagram at ericnerd, and my TikTok is ericquezada8. And I will see you guys in the next video.